Make St. Louis-style trashed wings at home. Make the iconic St. Louis-style hot wing sauce. 1 cup Frank's Red Hot Original. Half cup unsalted butter. Mix 3 tablespoon mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, and a tiny splash of white vinegar. Dry the wings. Pat your chicken wings completely dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Preheat a neutral, high-smoke point oil, like vegetable, canola, or peanut oil, in a wok, or deep frying pan to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Fry the wings in batches so you don't crowd the pot. Cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they are golden brown and fully cooked through. Remove the wings and let them drain, briefly on a wire rack or paper towels. While the wings are hot, pour the hot sauce over the wings and toss until they are completely submerged and coated. Place the sauced wings in the air fryer, basket in a single layer, or you can fry them again in the heated oil. Either way, make sure it is 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep a close eye on them around the 4-minute mark. You want to see the sauce bake directly into the skin, turning. Sticky, darkened, and slightly charred at the edges. Make some homemade ranch and enjoy.
All right, so Alicia made some homemade ranch.
Hot. Good.
So it reminds you of St. Louis?
Real close.